Umlazi on and off ramps flooded. Old airport, Toti, flooded. Edwin Swales M7 at Clarewood closed due to flooding. M13, Stapleton Road, flooded. Kloof Falls, Kloof Picnic Smart, flooded. North Coast Road, flooded. Higginson Highway, in both directions, flooded. We are not messing around here. If you use those routes, you are not going to be able to get to where you want to get to if you're using that route. I don't know if we have alternative routes yet, but I think just play it safe. It really is a hectic rain.
And also, I just like to pop in, if you're using public transport, please make sure that the vehicle you're getting into looks like it can.
Currently back on scene on Ellen Road. It's now 9:20 a.m. where SAPS and rescuers are arriving to sift through the rest of the rubble. It's alleged that 3 people, including 2 children, are still trapped and unaccounted for in this devastation. Rescuers will be arriving shortly, and the rescue operation will then begin. This is where the mudslide came from. 4 people were recovered last night and declared deceased, including 2 children, and 1 lady was seriously injured and transported through to hospital.
All the fences broke. Go help them. But how are you going to help them?
I won't be able to go there.
I think we should just try and help you start. This is too bad.